So my name is Rashid Mohta and I'm from Scotle High School, Jaipur. And my experience so far has been great. Every part of my journey till here and the exploration of campus has been great. So there are multiple opportunities we had and we still have to explore and tinker around our abilities to think, and the logic we have applied is completely different that from we use in our schools. The way of thinking of an IITian or anybody in the university's campus, whether it be an intern or us, is completely different from our approach. So to think in that way and to be present here and use the equipments of the IITs, so it's a honor.
So my name is Purav Parashar and I'm from grade 11 science, and from my childhood it's my dream to be an IITian and to do robotics engineering, because at the age of 3 I used to open all my toys and make new things, like use the motor, and I used to take the ball pen and insert it at the shaft of the motor and use spirals. I used to make spirals on the notebook. And then out of my curiosity, my mom thought that this is only my career. So my mom made me join the robotics academy. So there I learned all the things related to robotics, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, all the sensors, I/O, and after that I just focused on my studies to the great gap. Then I was just used to do the school normal projects given to me, but when I came here, my most favorite part was just stepping in it. I feel like heaven.
First of all, my name is Yashwardhan Singh Tawar and I am from grade 12th, and my stream is PCM. था कि हाँ कि रोबोटिक्स में, मैकेनिकल में बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है ना, तो फिर इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ वहाँ मिली नहीं, तो वहाँ पर जो आइटम्स होते हैं वो भी नहीं मिलते हैं, तो फिर था ड्रीम कि कुछ अच्छा बनाना है, कुछ करना है एंड रोबोट्स बनाना है। देखता था, IITs भी देखी, IITs की लैब देखी है, तो एक बार मन उसके बाद इंटरेस्ट हुआ कि हाँ IITs में जाना है। देन वी गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कम हियर एंड इन्वेंट समथिंग, तो हमें एक्सपीरियंस मिला यहाँ पर इंटर्न स्टूडेंट्स ने, जो बाहर से स्टूडेंट्स आए उनसे इंटरेक्ट करा, उनसे गाइडेंस लिया कि कैसे हम कुछ करें, एंड हमें टीचर्स ने गाइड किया कि तुम्हें इन चीज़ों से सामान बना के ये कर सकते हो, एंड वी लर्न वेरी मच न्यू थिंग्स कि कैसे मशीन्स यूज़ करते हैं वो लोग, उनको कैसे नॉलेज हुई धीरे धीरे, एंड एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल क्लासेस भी हुई, कैसे लाइब्रेरी मैनेजर्स होती हैं, तो वो सब हमारे लिए न्यू एक्सपीरियंस था एंड वी लव्ड इट अ लॉट। तो हम चाहते हैं कि आगे हम भी इन IITs में पढ़ें।
My name is Prisha Jain. I'm here from Scotle High School, and my project was about LSD connection with that saver motor. So we have actually taken a breadboard and then we have connected some wires with the saver motor so that we can connect it with a laptop, and we can code in the laptop so that that saver motor will move. And also I learned a lot of things from here, that how to connect those wires, what is positive terminal, negative terminal, and even that there is a negative terminal at the ground level also.
We have visited here first time in Maker Bhawan in a group of 60 students from Scotle High School, Jaipur. And before visiting, we were little nervous, confused, curious. Everything was there, different kind of emotions. But they really loved it, what they are doing. They are experimenting, they are learning new things, and one of the best things is they are able to interact with IITians here who are working currently in different fields. So they are able to understand how things are in IIT. They are also getting a motivation that yes, they are also similar to us, so we can also crack it. So that experience is also unique for them. But yes, at the same time, this lab is superb. They are able to understand the tools because there are good mentors here who are explaining them each and every hardware piece what it is used for. They have done the projects before also, no doubt. They had made it by checking the Google, YouTube. They are able to fix it, but they never understood why am I doing this. Now they are able to understand and develop the things. So this is a superb experience. So thanks a lot to everyone who was involved here. Anirudh sir for giving us this opportunity that we were able to come, and we would love to have lots such sessions for our students.